Oh, yeah. Man, I want to crawl some rocks with that thing. Darren with Wee TJ. Hey, I got something I want to talk to you about. I know it's probably not going to come across. I don't even know if I should be talking about it. I'm just going to put it out there. You guys think what you want of me, and it is what it is. I wave at Cherokees occasionally. Oh man, that feels better. Feel liberated. Woo! Man, I've had that on my chest for a while. I know a lot of you Wrangler people are like, what in the world? What's he been smoking? Yeah, I do. I wave at Cherokees. I think they're cool. Now, I don't know how many of you saw Jeep's Unity commercial. This is what they should have did with their Unity commercial. Instead, they decided to go down their stupid, enough is enough. But, and we're not talking about race here, because anybody that knows me knows that that's just not me. It's just some of my best friends are colored people, so yeah. What does it say? People of color? Yeah, probably. Yeah. See, everything I say is wrong. Either way, I do want to talk about the Cherokee people. Legitimately, I do wave at them. I think Cherokees are cool. You see the TJ right here? Your Cherokee, especially if you're new to them, that shares some of the most commonality between the Cherokee and this TJ you're looking at is between the drivetrain, engine, transmission, and the axles. Very similar. Yeah, you're going from a low pinion to a high pinion Dana 30, and you're going on the back, you're going from coils to leaf springs on the Cherokee. But it's very similar. I view it that the Cherokee share more in common with the TJ than the rest of the Wranglers. That's how I've always viewed it. That's just me. Now, a couple of the things that I've observed with the Cherokee people is they're good. They're really good people. No. They, you know what? I won't say that. I'm not referring to the good people. I've noticed that they have an excellent work ethic. Just because I've ran onto a lot of them that are on the trail. There's always grease underneath their fingernails, so they do all their own wrenching themselves. Another thing I've observed with the Cherokee crowd is if you need a tool or you need any help, if you have 10 Wranglers, 9 Wranglers and 1 Cherokee, I'm going to tell you or myself to make a beeline to the Cherokee guy. Not only will he be the one most likely, he or she, be the one that has a tool in the back of their Cherokee, they're the ones that are going to go out of their way the most to help you too. So, now, do they wave back? No. Very seldom. I don't think they see it. Some of the locals now wave back at me because they understand, and I've stopped and talked to them. But when I went up and talked to them on the trail, they're standoffish. They're like, this is a Cherokee. You're not supposed to be talking to me. Yeah, I know. And then I just kind of blow it off. Literally, they're like, you can't be talking to me. Almost the way a Jeep and a Toyota guy would be. And either way, yeah. Well, that's it. I needed to get this off my chest concerning it. It's been heavy that I've been waving at Cherokees. I do draw the line. I don't want you guys to think that I just throw my waves at everyone. I'm not going to be waving at Grand Cherokees, and never ever would I condone waving at a Liberty either. You just don't do that. Don't do that. And if you have a friend that does it, take their keys from them. Call them an Uber or something. Don't be letting them drive the Wrangler. They need timeout for like a week. It is what it is. I know Dirt Lifestyle's building his liberty, but there's something not right with him. No, and the Land Rover either. Come on, British. Next thing you know, he's going to be putting 44s under a Prius. It's America still, isn't it? Come on, people. It's gross. See ya.